Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we got a new setup. Okay, you might can't tell, but we got a new setup, and that's why I was off for a week, well, last week, because I was trying to get all this straight. And as you can also tell, I got in my clear contacts, got some new content. A whole lot has been going on since I left, and now I'm back. And I also ordered something so I could try it on my channel today, and it is CurlFormers. I ordered them off of Amazon, and they came in the mail yesterday. My hair now is in a old braid out, like it was in a braid out for I think a week. My hair was braided up for a week, and then I took it down, and it's been like this for 2 days, but it's not what I want. And plus I got this, so I was like, oh, I'm ready to try it. So I'm gonna go and shampoo and deep condition off camera, because you already seen me do that multiple times, and I don't think you need to see me do that again. But if you would like to know what products I will be using, I will be using the Main Crush Curly Temple shampoo and the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I haven't used this on camera. I have used it off camera several times. Hold up. I have used this off camera several times. But if you would like to see me use this, you know, just comment down below and I'll get that video. Or no, if you would like a review on it, comment down below and I'll try to get that video out for you guys, so you can, you know, see if you should purchase or not. Well, I'm gonna go do that off camera, and I'll be okay. I have washed out the shampoo and deep conditioner, and now it's time to put some leave-in conditioner on my hair before I put on the other products. So I have already tried this product off camera a long time ago, probably way before I even started YouTube, but it's the Mielle Organics White Peony Leave-In Conditioner for all hair types. This leave-in conditioner, it is very lightweight, like it's a spray leave-in conditioner, but when I used it on my hair, amazing. It had my hair soft and feeling really good. So that's the consistency. It's really watery, but it supplies my hair with a lot of moisture. So we're gonna put that on the first section. And as for smell, it has a light smell. It smells like, the closest thing I can think of is like some kind of powder, like baby powder, some kind of powder like that. It doesn't smell bad, but it's not one of my favorite smelling products. But the way it does my hair, I don't care how it smells. Okay, wait a minute now. I don't mean it could just be smelling any kind of way, but you know, it smells good enough. And it does my hair really good. So, since I cannot just use a leave-in conditioner by itself and it be curl defining for me, for my, you know, type 4 hair, I need a little something extra. And I already took the top off, but these little something extra is the Do Most Def Texture Foam. I seen people talking about this brand like a long time ago. I don't remember how many months or years ago it was, but I seen people talking about this brand, and this is the only what it is, styrofoam. I seen it in my Walmart besides a Cantu one and something else. So I was like, you know what? Just use this one. And also before I, put the foam on my hair, I was gonna talk about these. The blue, I have blue and yellow, and it came in a pack of 18. No, came in a pack of 18. It came in a pack of 18, I think, and it was 9 blue and 9 yellow, and I think the blue curls one way and the yellow curls the other way, but I don't know how to do that, so I'm just gonna alternate, do blue then yellow, blue then yellow, blue then yellow. If my hair comes out looking a little crazy, oh well. But I'm just gonna have this already ready, so after I put the foam on, all I gotta do is slip my hair in that. So oh my, it's a regular foam or whatever, but the smell of the foam is something I didn't expect. It smells really, really good. Oh, and it feels good going on to the hair too. I like this foam. It's pretty nice. I said I was gonna make this section 2, so I split it into 2, and I'm gonna hook this at the root, and I'm going to take this like this and pull my hair through. That was really simple, and it didn't tug as much, maybe because my hair was really dry when I did it the first time. But this time it didn't tug as much. Come back when I get to the front, so y'all can be able to see better, because you can't quite see at the back of my head. So I'll be back. I'm gonna do it like this, and I'm gonna take this one right here, I'm gonna twist the root, then I'm going to do it like that, hook it on there close to the root as I can get it, and then I'm just gonna pull it through. Hopefully it stays. There it goes. In some spots in my head, my hair is like long, so my hair is coming out the bottom, like on this one. I didn't think my hair was that long, so that's why I just got the 10-inch ones. Maybe I should have got the 12-inch ones. I didn't know. I thought my hair was short, So now I'm gonna do a blue one. The only thing I feel like takes a lot of time is putting this on the thing. Like, it takes so much time to stop, put it on another one on there, and go. But I'm getting used to it, and I'm getting the hang of it, and I'm doing better. At first, I was close to snatching my hair out, because I didn't know what I was doing. One time I did snatch my hair out because the section was too big, and I was like, okay, pull. I pulled and ain't nothing happened. I pulled again, my hair came out. But it's okay, it's fine. and as you can see right here, some of my hair is coming at the bottom. And why is it curled like that? Okay, there you go. But I'm trying to fill up the places where I needed more at, but I think it's gonna be cute, you know. Seems like it'll be a nice little look or whatever. But I'm tired. The amount of times I got frustrated and wanted to, I don't even know how to explain it, but the amount of times I got mad at these CurlFormers, you don't even want to know. You don't even want to know, because it's like they want you to put a tiny piece of hair up in there, and then, but I'm like, I can't do that. I got some hair. Not saying that, you know, I got like a long hair, but I got hair on my head, and I'm not gonna put this much of hair in the wand or whatever and pull it through. I'm not gonna be able to finish my head if I do that. So I got a little frustrated about that, you know, really mad, really upset. But on to some nice things to talk about. I like this leave-in conditioner, even though I told you guys I already tried it. When I use this on my hair, like, you know, I spray the whole section with the leave-in, and then as I go up, I spray the this. Like, when I get to, like, say I start right here, and when I get to up here, my hair be feeling so good, so good, so good. Like, so I like this. I feel like this will be a perfect leave-in to use for like any style that's gonna stay for a minute, because I feel like it'll keep that moisture. And this, first off, it smells really good, so I like that, so that's a plus. And it also has my hair feeling soft, so I feel like both of the two together, I might have some nice soft beautiful curls. So we will see when I come back after my hair has dried. Hopefully, you know, my hair looks good. If it don't, this will just be another fill video. So I'll see you when this. Okay, so I'm back, and I don't know how long it's been. I feel like it's been hours. I went to sleep, and the people who was talking about you can't sleep on these, they a lie. I slept great. So now I'm gonna take them out, and they easy to take out. Basically, all you gotta do is pull them at the bottom, and they come out. So let's see. The first one I did. Let's see. Is it ready? It's dry. And the curl, you can see. Okay. It's cute. It's cute. And don't mind my voice. Like I said, I just woke up, so I sound a little Dark Vader-ish. So yeah, I'm gonna go off camera and section it off like I always do, you know. Put some oil on it, and you know. So this is my hair all done, taken out. I feel like, you know, it could possibly be a look, you know, if I use something stronger. I feel like my type 4 hair, this ain't, that foam ain't gonna help this last past a day. I feel like today is the last day for this for these curls to be looking somewhat decent. After today, it might have to go up in a puff or something like that. But only thing I can say about this, it could possibly be a look, but the foam didn't hold a lot, so I feel like this not gonna last long. And some sessions, I don't even know what's going on. I honestly don't. I keep on looking down in the mirror trying to make it look better in my mind, but it ain't happening. Anyway, this is what it's looking like. It's not giving what it was supposed to give, but it's okay, it's fine. You know, I like it a little bit. And I also feel like if you're gonna use a foam for type 4 hair, you gonna need, like, say you're going out, right? You do it the day of. It look good all the time you out. Tomorrow you're gonna have to find something else. That's how I feel. I think I need a gel. Yep, I think I need a gel. But if I get a gel though, it's gonna take all day. Ain't got time for that. So will I try these again? Possibly, after I done came up with a better technique on how to do it and all that stuff. But as for right now, it could have been amazing. It could have. But I ran into 2-minute problems, so it is what it is. But you know, that's it for this video. I'm gonna go put on my bonnet and go to sleep again. That's it for this video. Hope you liked it. You might not like the outcome because it's looking how it's looking, but I hope you liked it. And I'll see you guys in my next one. But before you go, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and click the little bell button before you leave. And I'll see you guys in my next one.